In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find day from date in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever needed Excel to tell you the day of the week for a given date, like turning 4/10/2026 into Friday, you can do it quickly with a simple formula. I'll walk you through it from start to finish and share a few helpful tips so everything works smoothly. First, click the cell where you want the weekday name to appear. This should be an empty cell, separate from the one that already contains your date. Make sure the original value you're working from is a real date that Excel recognizes, not text that just looks like a date. A quick indicator is that dates align to the right by default and can be formatted as date from the number group on the Home tab. Now type the formula that does the work. Start with an equals sign, then type text, open a parenthesis, and click the cell that contains your date. Next, type a comma, then a pair of double quotes with four-letter Ds inside, diddy, and close the quotes and the parenthesis. It should look like this when spoken. Equals, TEXT, open parenthesis, click the date cell, comma, double quote, 4 Ds, double quote, close parenthesis. The text function converts a value into text using a format you specify, and DDDD is the code for the full weekday name. If you prefer a shorter version like Mon or Tue, DDD will do that, but DDD gives you the complete name. Also note, in some regions, Excel uses a semicolon instead of a comma between arguments. Follow what your Excel uses elsewhere. Press Enter to confirm. You should immediately see the full day name for your date, such as Friday. The result is dynamic, so if the original date changes, the weekday updates automatically. If you see the formula instead of the result, make sure the cell isn't formatted as text, change it to general, and confirm the formula. If you get an unexpected result or an error, double-check that the quotes around DDDD are straight quotes and that the date cell is truly a date. From here, you can reuse the same approach anywhere in your sheet. Reference any date cell you have, keep the DDDD format string, and you'll always get the correct weekday name. It's a simple, reliable way to make your spreadsheets more readable and insightful, perfect for schedules, reports, and dashboards. And that's all you need to find the day from a date in Excel using the text function with DDDD.